Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create HTML element, HTML tag, and how to set content with this tag dynamically, and how to set CSS with this created element. In JavaScript, first, I'm gonna create a HTML div. Suppose variable node1 document dot create element div we have created. We need to append this with the any tag body or head. We'll add this with the body. Document dot body dot append child node1. We have appended node1, but we don't have content. Cannot read append child of null. This script is being executed before HTML loaded, so we need to set here an event document dot add event listener from content loaded. Function start in can see nothing. We need to set here some content with the created node. Suppose in our HTML dynamically created node div. We're gonna test. We can see the content. We're gonna set some CSS here. Run last-name div style dot background color. We can set background color, suppose red. You can set with suppose 100 pixels. Suppose 500 pixels. You can set height can set border. That's for testing. Suppose 1 pixel solid black. You can do bigger like this. Border is set. Node we have created and append with the body. If we wanna do another node, and want to append with the node 1, created node 1. Then we'll create another element, suppose paragraph. This is node 2 paragraph. Node 2 content we can set created paragraph, and we can set background color green, and we'll append with the node 1. Node 1 dot append side. Node 2 node 1 append side node 2. We're gonna test dynamically created paragraph. Suppose we're gonna append image, then we'll create element with the image. Create element, next parameter is image. We know image tag. In this way we create HTML tag. Paragraph div so to create image we set here img. Node, suppose image is node 3 dot source. Our picture is 5.jpg. 5.jpg, and we'll append with node 1. Node 3. Image has been added. You can set here width, height. Node 3 is style dot width. Suppose 100 pixels. We have seen the creative element and append child. Now we'll see the how to remove element. Suppose node 2 has been created to need the node 1. So we need to remove from node 1. Node 1 dot remove child. We'll remove the node 1. You can see node 2 we have removed. We can set a timer, then that will be seen very easy. Set timeout function and suppose 5 seconds. We're gonna test. After 5 seconds, paragraph 1 has been removed. To remove, we will use remove child to create creative element, and we need to append the creative element with append child. What is its parent? Where we will include this, that is its parent. Body is parent of node 1, first one, we have created. Paragraph, its parent is node 1. Image, its parent is node 1. We have included paragraph and image into node 1. To paragraph 1 from its parent node 1. Parent.remove child. Parent.fm child. Thanks for watching this tutorial.